Lavender, or Lavandula angustifolia, is a fragrant evergreen plant native to the Mediterranean, cherished for over 2,500 years for its calming scent and health benefits. Its name comes from the Latin lavare, meaning to wash, reflecting its ancient use in baths, laundry, and personal grooming. Ancient Egyptians used lavender in mummification and cosmetics, while Greeks referred to it as nardus. Romans recognized its healing and antiseptic qualities, using it in washing and to deter insects. In the Middle Ages, monks cultivated lavender in monastery gardens for its healing and cleansing properties. During plague outbreaks, people carried lavender sachets to protect themselves from bad air, symbolizing purity, devotion, and serenity. Queen Elizabeth I of England even required fresh lavender flowers daily, showcasing its enduring appeal. This perennial shrub can grow up to 1 meter in height, with its flowers, leaves, and stems all utilized. Key aroma compounds include linalool, linalyl acetate, camphor, and terpenes, contributing to its distinctive fragrance. Other chemical compounds like anthocyanins, phytosterols, and coumaриc acid also contribute to lavender's properties. Harvesting at the right time is crucial for ensuring high-quality flowers and oils. Always harvest lavender in the morning after the dew has evaporated from the buds. For essential oils, cut lavender when about 1/3 to 1/2 of the flowers on each stem have opened. For fresh use, harvest when the florets of each spike are about half open and half closed. To harvest lavender buds, ensure the stems snap when bent and collect them when the buds are ready. Cut the stems at a slight angle, about 2 to 3 inches above the woody base, leaving some foliage intact. Pruning encourages regrowth and may produce a second or third harvest later in the season. Air dry lavender sprigs on a screen in a cool place, out of direct sunlight. Alternatively, bundle them tightly into small bundles and hang upside down until the buds are brittle and easily fall off, which takes about 2 weeks. To make a lavender tincture, you'll need dried lavender flowers, 80 to 100 proof vodka, and a jar with a lid. A general ratio is 1 part dried herb to 5 parts alcohol. Remove stems from flowers, then combine half an ounce of flowers with ethanol and filtered water in a clean glass jar. Stir or shake briefly to ensure total coverage of alcohol across all botanicals. Set the jar aside in a cool, dark cabinet for up to 2 weeks. Strain the mixture and store the finished tincture in a cool, dark place for 1 to 3 years. An alcohol-free glycerite can also be made as an alternative option. Lavender offers mood support for mild to moderate depression, acting as an adjunct therapy. It also provides antioxidant effects beneficial for skincare. Inhaling lavender reduces sleep problems, improving both the quality and duration of sleep. It can be used in food flavoring, adding a unique floral note to culinary creations. Lavender is widely used in aromatherapy, with enhanced aroma extraction achieved with high-proof ethanol. Its antimicrobial properties make it valuable for applications in natural cosmetics. Lavender oil possesses anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, antibacterial, and antifungal properties. It may help slow down the aging process, contributing to youthful skin. The essential oil has applications for anxiety disorders, depression, and acute inflammatory reactions. Lavender may also improve sleep, treat skin blemishes, relieve pain, and reduce blood pressure. It can lessen menopausal hot flashes, combat fungus growth, and potentially promote hair growth. While generally safe, lavender may interact with sedatives and blood pressure medications. There isn't enough reliable information to know if lavender is safe to use when pregnant or breastfeeding. It is important to avoid use before surgery due to potential interactions. Side effects might include constipation, diarrhea, and headache, though these are generally mild. Lavender essential oil is generally well tolerated, but can sometimes cause skin irritation, especially for those with allergies. Always consult a healthcare professional before incorporating lavender into your health regimen, especially if you have underlying conditions or are taking medications.